Hey, what's up, guys? It's day 13. So, today we're going to be learning about some higher. Today, I'm gonna be learning about some higher order functions in JavaScript. So, yeah, I'm gonna set a timer for myself. I'm gonna start it now. Okay, and yeah, let's begin. First, we're gonna learn about map. So, array map. Return a new array with the square root of all element values. Let's say JavaScript array map. The prototype.map. The map method of array instances creates a new array populated with the result of calling a provided function on every element in the calling array. Const array 1 4, okay. Map x, so x times 2, constant 2 8 18 23. Okay, map callback function, this parameters. So callback function, a function to execute for each element in the array. Its return value is added as a single element in the new array. The function is called with the following arguments. Element, the current element being processed in the array. Index, the index of the current element being processed in the array. The array map was called upon. This arg. A value to use as this when executing callback function. See iterative methods. Okay, this is kinda cryptic. Okay, I think I'm gonna use explain to me how the JavaScript map method works like I am file and give me a few examples. A few coding examples with explanations. It's super simple. Imagine each toy goes into a magic machine. The machine changes every toy in the same way. It gives you a new box of toys. The magic machine is map. Map takes a list array, changes each item, and gives you a new list. It does not change the old one. The basic idea. Array map. Map item, new item, array, your lists, item, one thing from the list, new item, how you want to change it, result, a new array. So it does return an array. Example. Example 1. Add 1 to every number. Imagine you have numbers 1, 2, 3. Imagine you have numbers 1, 2, 3. You want them to become 2, 3, 4. Numbers 1, 2, 3. Constant new numbers map arrow num plus 1 constant all numbers. What happens? 1 becomes 2, 2 becomes 3, 2 becomes 4, 2, 3, 4. Original array stays the same. Turn names into happy messages. Alex, Sam, Jamie, messages names the map name. So we have a name. So we have the thing we want to manipulate, and then we have an arrow. And then we have what we're gonna do with it. Name hello plus name plus x from Alex, hello Alex, Sam, hello Sam, Jamie, hello Jamie, and this returns this array objects, real life stuff. So cars, brand BMW, speed, um, um, BMW speed 100, Audi speed 120, Cars, faster cars, cars.map car. Okay, cars.map car, car brand, speed brand, speed, car speed plus 20, 120 using map of a function. Double, nums.map double. Cars doubled. Um, um, okay, so um okay, double counts nums 246 nums on map double. I don't really get how this works. 2 to 4, 48, 8, 6 to 12. When should how does this work? If we are not passing the number on each iteration in brackets like this, double num. This is one of those things that feels like magic until it close. And very gently. The key idea, you're not calling double yourself, you're giving the function you're giving the function to map, and map calls it for you. Think of it like this. Imagine you tell a robot, here is a machine called double. Take each number in this box and run it through the machine. That's exactly what happens. This line means exactly what this line means. Nums.map double. You are saying, hey, map, for each item use the double function. What map actually does behind the scenes. This const double nums.map double is basically the same as writing this yourself. Const doubled for let I const result double nums of I map calls it here double dot push result. This is where double num happens. Why don't we write double num? Because double num calls the function immediately. Double gives the function to map to call later. Double gives the function to map to call later. This would be wrong. Nums.map double. That would call double immediately. Pass the result, not the function to map. Break your code. Step by step execution. Your code. Oh shit. Double number nums246 const double map nums.map double map. Takes the first number 2. Calls double of 2. Result 4. Takes the next number 4. Map calls double 4. Result 8. Map takes the next number 6. Map calls double 6. Result 12. Why this works in JavaScript? Because functions are values in JavaScript. This this means double is just a value like a number or a string, but special because it can be called. So this is totally valid. Nums don't have the same thing. Written another way. These two are 100% equivalent. Nums map double. Nums map num. Nums map num double num. Okay. The first one is just shorter and cleaner. Simple rule to remember. If a function takes one argument and map gives one item, you can pass it directly. That's why this works. Function can also okay, give me a few beginner exercises to practice using map. Don't write solutions uh, Wait until I send you the code for each exercise and then give the next rate my performance. Give me, let's say, okay, sorry, how this works. You write the code as index. If it works, blah blah blah. Go. You have an array of numbers. Create a new array. Each number is multiplied by 3. Okay, so um, hold up, guys. I'll make. Oops, I'm way down there. Hold up, guys. I'll make a folder and stuff. Okay, guys. I made a folder. So we get. Do not change the original array. There's also be started a new variable. And by 3 multiplied. Create a new array. Each number is multiplied by 3. Const result equals numbers dot map num. Should I num times 3? Alright, node map. Let's see if we console log this. Say that we console log this. Okay, I don't know if I completely get it. So this is what we have. This is what gets executed on it. Let's work. Blah blah blah. We're not telling them because it didn't show the full snippet. If numbers is going to expect it. Have an array of names. Create a new array where each name is turned into uppercase letters. Each name is turned into uppercase letters. JavaScript to uppercase. To uppercase. Is this on a whole string or is this on text to uppercase? Okay, it's on a whole string, so okay, so it's gonna be, let's get these names. Const upper names dot map name gets n dot to uppercase. Is it like this? Yeah, it's like this. So console log upper names. Okay. Okay. Excellent. Okay. Getting a bit more real. You have an array of objects representing users. Create an array that contains only the user names. Create a new array that contains all the users' names. Okay. So only the users' names, huh? Names equals users dot map only the names, huh? How did it did something with here? There's something with objects here. Um, user. Let's say a user dot name, right? I think. So it's Alex, Sam, and Jordan. Okay. Okay. Slightly trickier. You have an array of numbers. Create a new array of objects where each object looks like this. Is even true false. An array of objects. Okay. Um is even. Okay, so what should I call this? Numbers 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 dot map num value num um and the other one was what? Is even um num num to 2 equals 0. What is expected? Expected this? Okay, so okay, this one I don't know if this one's gonna work. Undefined. Um, slightly trickier. It is trickier. Is even. Maybe it's. Should I wrap it like this? Like this? Like. I don't know. Okay, but this one I don't know. I don't know about this one. Let's try it. It's totally okay to be unsure. I'm gonna stick you very close. We should right. Use map. You knew you need an object. Even logic is correct. Use the block properly. What went wrong? You didn't return anything. Our function must return the value. Right now, your function returns undefined for every item. Object syntax function is versus function. Object syntax versus function block confusion. This part, JavaScript thinks is just a code block, not an object being returned. Key to remember: all arrow functions, no braces, auto return. With braces, you must return. Oh, so I do a return like this. Okay, so let's see. False, true, false, true, false. Yeah. No braces, auto return. With braces, you must return. How about this? Yes, that's it. Okay. Okay. Fine. Oh wait, I missed it. Reinforcement similar but simple. Create a new array of objects where each object has okay. So const nums equal numbers dot map num. We're gonna do number num console dialog nums. Okay, I don't know if this works though. Okay, yeah, this works. Wait. I was expecting this to be a turn, so I got it. Oops. Got this. Drop that. Okay, why am I getting it twice though? Am I getting or just getting console log twice? Okay. Okay, I think I got this. Okay, what's the final one? You have our prices create a new array where each price has 20% tax added. Each price has 20% tax added. So um there's 20% of each one. Okay, so I'm gonna add this here below prices, const prices with tax or something. Prices this dot map price. Um, uh, so it's gonna be price plus price price times 0.2 I think, and yeah, that should be it. That should be it. Something like this. Yeah. Okay. These are my solutions to exercise 5 and 6. Excellent. Okay. 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 Okay, guys. Okay, guys. So I think that's gonna be pretty much it for today. Um, make sure that you guys like, subscribe, and comment, and follow me. All the links will be in the description to follow me. And yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.